Hi, this is Bill Gibson. Welcome to my video, 3 crazy strategies to avoid that will kill your Clickbank business in 2020. Here's what I'm going to do. What I'm going to cover is 3 things that I see a lot of people do that's crazy and it's killing your business. In the long run, you can't win by doing these things. And if you hold on for a few moments, I'm going to share with you how to avoid these 3 things. And I'm also going to show you a website or how a person did over $1 million in 3 months. Let's get started. The one thing that I see a lot of people doing, and you can almost tell, is they will try or they will build up their Facebook group. Everybody has heard that Facebook gets a lot of traffic. Facebook gets a lot of traffic. Well, yeah, I heard the same thing. Facebook gets a lot of traffic. Now, most marketers that are getting a lot of traffic on Facebook, they're marketing on Facebook. Now, posting to your friends and marketing on Facebook is really 2 different things, but they're marketing on Facebook. Imagine this. Imagine every time one of your friends calls you or walks into your house or is around you, that person's pitching their business. Now, some will buy and some will not. Some may even buy out of pity, and some will not. But eventually, you're going to fall upon deaf ears. So that's what's happening. A lot of people are pitching their business. Right now, I'm showing you my Facebook feed. And I want you to notice some things. A lot of paid ads. It's right before the U.S. election. A lot of paid ads. A lot of U.S. election ads. That one there is not. But I want you to notice another thing. You are not going to see an affiliate marketing or Clickbank style ad. The reason why? Facebook does not allow it. The first thing, as I mentioned, is that they don't know how to get traffic. Marketing this way is not the best way to get traffic. The second thing is really goes back to the first thing. The cost of getting Facebook ads are going up. Imagine this. I'm doing marketing. I'm marketing on Clickbank. I got a product, and my product, when it sells, I average what, $30, $40, $50, $60 maybe? Now, if the cost of clicks means that when a person clicks on my ad, this is what it's costing me, $1. This is cost per click, per impressions per hour, or per 1,000. That's $7.19. What does that mean? Well, that means is cost per click, our cost per click is, if this person here is paying cost per click, every time someone clicks on this ad, it costs them 97 cents. If this is what they are paying. But the highest, the person that bid the highest is going to really get the most ads too, right? Now, cost per 1,000, what that basically means is they will show this ad. We're going to take this ad. They will show this ad to 1,000 random people. Now, you can narrow that random list down, but to 1,000 people. And just by me scrolling like this, that's an impression. I don't have to stop. I don't have to click. Just by me scrolling like this is an impression. And those costs are steadily rising. So what I'm trying to point out here is that the cost of ads are rising. In fact, Facebook is squeezing the small guy like you and I out. They've been doing that for the last couple of years. Ironic. We're the ones that got them started, and now we're the ones being kicked to the curb. Okay, so now let's talk about the third thing. The third thing is very important. They don't know how to get traffic on a consistent basis. Let me ask you. Would you go to a doctor that didn't go to school to become a doctor? Maybe, maybe not. Would you call a plumber into your home that's not a union licensed plumber? Maybe, maybe not. The problem with Facebook marketing is that too many people think you can just post something online, traffic will appear. That's not true. And for whatever reason, they don't want to take a course on marketing. I went to Google, I put in Facebook courses for beginners, and a lot of stuff came up. Now, yeah, you do have to find someone that you know, like, and trust. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you two guys that I certainly trust, two of the best in the business, and then, as I promised, I'm going to show you another person that I definitely trust. One of the first guys is a guy by the name of Frank Kern. You can look him up. Here's his name up here, Frank Kern. Frank is excellent. Frank can tell you how to write Facebook ads that sell. Frank has taught a lot of people. He's been in this business for a long time. Now, for those of you looking for free information from Frank, you're going to get some free, but he ain't crazy. He's not going to give it away free. If you go to a doctor, you got to pay. Even when my nephew, who is a licensed electrician, has been a licensed electrician for over 20 years, when he came to my house to actually put in a ceiling fan for us, to take down the old one and put in a new one, we had to pay him. We had to pay him. So if you don't want to pay anyone for nothing, then you're going to learn the hard way. Next person, Vince Reed. Damn good. Both of them are very good. Vince and Frank are very good. You can look up Vince Reed. He has several programs out there. Check them out. And number 3, the person I'm going to show you is Paul Murray. Now, the difference between Paul, Frank, and Vince. Paul is going to show you, or Paul showed me, how to get free traffic. And if I have a choice between going on Facebook, which is what Frank teaches, which is also what Vince teaches. If I have a choice between going on Facebook and trying to learn and master Facebook or getting free ads on Google, newsflash, Google gets more traffic than Facebook. Newsflash, people go on to Google to solve problems. They don't go on Facebook to solve problems. Newsflash number 3, the Clickbank product that I'm pushing, that I'm marketing, that I'm selling, what did I say earlier? It needs to solve a problem. So for me to listen to Paul was a no-brainer. So I showed you Frank Kearns, I showed you Vince Reed, and I showed you Paul Murray. To be really honest with you, all these guys are making big bucks, making millions of dollars per year. The difference is Paul teaches about how to do it for free, and the other guys teaches you how to do it using Facebook paid ads. So the choice is up to you. I'm going to leave links to Paul's information, because Paul has something called the 5-step system, to which he gives away completely free. It's a short training that Paul gave, and it goes over his 5-step system. I thought it was a pretty good system. You may like it too, so I will give that to you free. Otherwise than that, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel below and click on the bell to where you will be notified of more videos coming up about Clickbank marketing. That's what we're interested in, right? And in my next video, I'm going to talk about, I will show you Clickbank marketing made so simple that even my grandparents can understand it. Okay? Again, any questions? Tell me what you're doing. Tell me what you like. Tell me what you don't like. Tell me what your challenges are. Put it in the comments below, and I will address those. See you soon. Peace.